Swagbucks daily goals reset automatically, which means your daily progress does not continue forever and starts a new tracking period when the reset happens. By the end, you'll know how Swagbucks daily goal resets work, what happens to your progress after a reset, and what to check if your goal does not update correctly. Section 1 is understanding the daily goal reset. Swagbucks daily goals are tied to a specific daily tracking period. When the reset happens, the goal for the new day begins separately from the previous day's activity. Your completed actions, earned points, and account history are separate from the daily goal tracker. A reset does not mean your account points disappear. If you earned points before the reset, those points remain connected to your Swagbucks account. The first thing to check after a reset is the daily goals section inside the Swagbucks app or website. Refresh the page or reopen the app if the new goal does not appear immediately. Section 2 is why your daily goal may look incorrect. One reason is timing. If you check your account around the reset period, the system may still be updating your daily progress. Another reason is account syncing. Make sure you are signed into the same Swagbucks account where you completed your activities. Using a different email address or login method can make your daily goal progress appear missing. Also check that your activity actually earned points. Completing an action does not always mean it is counted toward your daily goal if the points have not been credited to your account yet. Review your activity history to confirm that the points were added. Section 3 is fixing daily goal tracking problems. Start by closing and reopening the Swagbucks app or refreshing the website. Check for app updates because an outdated version can sometimes display account information incorrectly. If the problem continues, collect details before contacting Swagbucks support.die. Include your account information, the date of the issue, the activity you completed, and screenshots showing the incorrect daily goal status. Clear details help support review the account activity more efficiently. The key points are simple. Swagbucks daily goals reset into a new tracking period. Your earned account points are separate from daily goal progress, and checking account syncing can explain most tracking issues. Your next step is opening Swagbucks after the reset, confirming the correct account, and reviewing your activity history. If this guide helped you understand Swagbucks daily goal resets, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.